Ooh. Visitors back this morning. Didn't think we were gonna get to see them again.
I told him to come back for coffee.
Yeah.
He's just like,
Ah. Got like 30 minutes till we check out. We were just waiting. Still on the desperate hunt for the Red River hogs. They're not here, I don't see them.
quick trains don't worry about the things.
No, they just go right past the fence.
Panicked because I saw a painted lemur with a drink.
Oh.
I was like, what?
We're at Sanaa this morning, I guess for lunch. Gonna get the bread service with all 9 accompaniments. And I think I'm gonna get that. What's nice is they have a glossary over here in case you don't know what the words mean. What are you gonna get?
The tandoori chicken sounds good.
Yeah? How about there's a wildebeest out there. He's not on the menu.
Like, I'm hungry. That's vacation. It's all about it.
We didn't realize they were closed at 10.
It's that, okay.
Bread service has arrived. It's a staple here. Got all those dips. Dips.
That's it.
She's going right for the good stuff. More Naan bread. I don't know how much more Naan bread I can take.
Naan.
Or down through 4, one more to go, and I just came out with another one. Is there,
I keep it coming.
is there no carbs in these? Is this a no carb diet, right?
It's got pockets in the middle.
Oh, that's right, there's air, so yeah. We're just breathing. That's all we're doing. They're fighting out there. Oh, no kicking. Whoa. The eyes.
Oh, yeah. Well, that one's like, he doesn't have teeth, just gums.
Well, that's what happens when you eat bugs all day.
Probably not.
Probably not, but... Where are we at now?
Pop Century.
Yeah, where are we
I
going?
like it.
Where are we going?
We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Yes, we are.
We have late Fastpasses.
Yeah.
And
We got Big Thunder, Splash, Seven Dwarfs.
get some food.
Mm-hmm.
Cheeseburger spring rolls. Pepper jack pretzels. And Dole Whip.
Dole Whip, yeah. Focus. There we go. Look at that Magic Band decal.
It's fine. Well, it makes me that even out here you can't see the past. You know?
Not even out here? No.
I mean, I know it's set back, but you still feel like you'd be able to see it. You know?
Yeah, I saw it coming in on the road.
Perfectly placed tree.
Oh, it's the tree. If we keep on walking, it's going to be that American flag here soon.
Okay.
Guessing the parade's over. Head towards the annual pass holder sign. How's it going? Thank you. We're in. There she is. I will never get sick of that view. It always kind of gives me chills every single time I turn that corner. This land has like all the food we want,
Yeah.
except for the pretzels. So we have a treasure map. We have to go find this target. So back up a little bit. This is the Pirates Treasure Hunt. If you complete 2 of these, you get a fast pass for Pirates. So Little hack. So let's find, looks like by the magic carpets, behind the tiki spitters, it's a little crate.
Okay.
Found the Target. Let's see for that treasure chest.
There we go. Try again. Try using your talisman again.
There we go.
You've done well. Now, look for a magical mark at the base of the deck gun. Ah, it's that blasted parrot. If you locate the magical mark of the parrot on your map, the mangy bird will deliver our message to the commander.
All the families come to Disney.
Oh, guys. Well, Ducky. We have a new map. We have to go find this. So go find the shop. Go inside the shop to find a chest made of bones. Our last one had a broken piece, so we kind of had to skip it. But hoping after this map we get the Fastpass. Got the cheeseburger egg rolls. I'm so excited for these.
Yeah?
It tastes like a White Castle egg roll.
Ew.
Holy cow. That's really good. It wasn't what I was expecting it to taste like. Which is weird. But it's really good. So we just turned in our second map. And as promised, they gave us 2 fast passes for completing 2 maps. Well, 2 because there's 2 in the party, not a fast pass per map. So, if you are needing a fast pass, you have time to kill, it's a good way to get one. So just for pirates, thankful for the fast pass. However, while we were in line, there was someone there just standing them advertising the mobile ordering, which it worked. It did work. Because while we were in line, we decided to mobile order. So there's a whole bunch of places here where you can order your food in advance and then just click I'm here when you're there. You don't have to wait in line. Highly recommend it for the pineapple Dole Whip place because the line's always crazy long. So we ordered, we're gonna click I'm here. And they gave us the food. Look at that. How was it?
So good.
Yeah. Got to avoid that line. Showed right up and got it. Oh yeah. Pineapple and vanilla. Yay for moving up fast passes. 6 o'clock. We were supposed to do this at 9:30 tonight. Jeez. Oh, jeez.
No, we can't find out like this.
I will duck the camera. I saved you. I saved the camera.
What goes up comes down. Then it loves me, turns me south. I think and you have it back.
Slip and fall. Yeah, take that, next boat. That fast you.